This one did 150 miles an hour.
And that company was based right here, right here in Illinois.
Uh-huh.
Some cranes. Oh, a scale test unit. Test truck.
Yep. That's for checking the scales at the weigh stations.
A crane.
Another Kenworth. 1925 Kenworth.
Wow. Crank start.
Yep.
This is crank start too. Kenworth.
Yep, another Kenworth. $1958.
5.2 million miles on it without an accident.
Really? Huh.
It's short.
Uh-huh.
The hood flips forward.
The whole cab flips forward.
Oh, the whole cab?
Uh-huh. That's why they call them cab overs. The cab is over the engine. And when you want to get to the engine, the whole cab tilts forward. Freightliner tried coming back with those a few years ago, and they came out with an Argosy and a cab over like that. But that's all you used to see.
That's what that was. International too. John Deere.
That's a shiny hiney.